What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to download and install Zoom on your Windows 10 computers. Zoom is widely used nowadays in online school and business meetings. It's just blown up since the pandemic hit, and it is our new way of staying connected. So if you want to install Zoom and download it, it doesn't matter what web browser you have, but just open your web browser. So I'm using Firefox. You can use Chrome. You can even use Internet Explorer if you want, but as long as you have a search bar or an address bar at the top, that you can just type in Zoom and download center, and then just hit enter and it should search it on Google. And this link right here is the one you want. So zoom.us/download, called the Zoom Download Center. This is the link, so just click there. I will add this link to the description of this video. If not, just remind me in a comment and then I'll add it. But yeah, so this is what you want here. Don't worry about the Zoom plugin for anything or a Zoom extension for browsers. Just download the first guy, Zoom Client for Meetings. This is a desktop application, so whenever you click a Zoom link, it's going to launch this desktop app, and then you will see the Zoom interface that you're used to seeing in other people's computers and stuff like that. So just click download here, and then it should give you this file or an option to open it or save it. So just click Save File. Once it is downloaded, this is the file that you need to run to download Zoom. So I'm going to click here. And your browser should have a different way of showing your downloaded files. Like Google Chrome has them along the bottom. So just once that's downloaded, just click that guy, zoom.exe, and it should run this guy. And just like that, Zoom has been installed. So now whenever I click a Zoom link for a meeting, it will launch this app and it will open the Zoom interface where you can see other people's cameras or other people's screens and, you know, just basically have a Zoom meeting running. So that's how you install it in Windows. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.